Now we're going to take a look at adding loss payees and mortgagees to your system. We're going to begin with mortgagees. When you're inside of your homeowner's policy, you're under the coverage tab, you have an additional interest in mortgagee here. You'll choose your lender's position. You'll choose your lender's name from what you already have there, or let's say it's not there. If it's not there, it's going to give you the option to add the mortgagee, and you're going to say yes. If you say yes, then you'll fill out this information. Once you close it, it makes this lender your chosen lender. Then you'll just put in your loan number. Now that's how you add a mortgagee to the system. Now we're going to look at how to add a loss payee. We're going to go into an auto policy, and inside of our auto policy we're going to go to our vehicles screen. On our vehicles screen you have a drop down here that you can choose from, or you can begin typing. If the company does not exist, it'll ask you would you like to add them. Once you've added them, you'll close and they will become your chosen loss payee. Now, you have your loss payees in the system and your mortgagees in the system, but let's say that you need to manage those loss payees and mortgagees. You'll come up to Utilities, Mortgagee and Loss Payee is here. This will give you all of the mortgagees and loss payees that are in your system. So if you need to change one, you can find them here. Once you've found them, then you make your changes that you need and you close. Now if you have one that you just need to add into the system, you could click Add and that will add it. But let's say that I need to delete this one from the system, that I'm not using it, and it's not associated with any policies. So I'm going to hit delete, and it's going to tell you that you cannot delete a mortgagee that is used for a policy. And it's going to ask me, am I sure? And then it's going to delete them. That's it for loss payee and mortgagee. Thanks.